the hidden air filter that's slowly killing your engine, and almost nobody knows it exists. A few months ago, a pickup truck rolled into my shop with a rough, idle, poor fuel economy and fresh oil leaking from the engine. The owner had already been quoted nearly $1,400 for repairs. The shop wanted to replace sensors, clean the throttle body and install new gaskets. He thought his engine was dying. But the real problem? A $15 filter. Most drivers know about the engine air filter. You open the airbox, replace the dirty filter, and that's it. But your engine actually has another breathing system. Every time the engine runs, a small amount of pressure slips past the piston rings and enters the crankcase. This is called blow-by, and every engine has it. If that pressure can't escape, it starts building inside the engine. Oil gets pushed past seals and gaskets. The engine begins running rough. Fuel economy drops, and the check engine light may come on. That's why engines have a crankcase ventilation system, often called the PCV system. Many vehicles use a small breather filter or ventilation element hidden on the valve cover or in a hose. And this is the filter almost nobody checks. When it gets clogged, the symptoms can look like major engine problems. You may notice rough idle, loss of power, oil, leaks, poor fuel economy, lean or rich engine, codes, check engine lights. The scary part is that these symptoms often lead to expensive misdiagnoses. A scan tool can read codes, but it can't tell you the real cause. A lean code doesn't always mean a bad sensor. An idle problem doesn't always mean a bad throttle body. In that pickup truck, I inspected the breather filter and found it completely clogged with oil and carbon. I replaced the filter, cleared the system and let the engine idle. Within minutes, the idle became smooth, the leak slowed down, and the check engine light stayed off. The entire repair cost less than $20. That owner nearly spent $1,400 on repairs he didn't need. Now, here's something important. A clogged breather isn't always the whole problem. Sometimes it clogs because the engine is producing excessive blow-by from worn piston rings or high mileage. So replacing the breather can also be a test. If the symptoms disappear and stay gone, you probably fixed the problem. If the new filter clogs again quickly, your engine may need deeper inspection. So how do you check it yourself? Warm up the engine and loosen the oil filler cap. A healthy engine usually has little to no pressure coming out, but if the cap lifts, vapor blows out, or pressure is pushing upward, the crankcase may not be venting properly. Next, inspect the airbox. If you see oil residue or oil mist inside, that's another clue that the ventilation system isn't breathing correctly. If your vehicle has a serviceable breather filter, replacing it is usually a simple 15-minute job with basic tools, and preventing this problem is easy. Change your oil on time. Avoid ignoring vehicles that only make short trips. And every time you check your engine air filter, spend an extra 30 seconds inspecting the breather system too, because your engine has two sets of lungs. One gets all the attention, the other gets forgotten until it starts costing you money. That truck owner drove away with a smooth-running engine and almost $1,400 still in his pocket, simply because someone checked the filter nobody checks. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and I'll see you in the next one.